All right, so if you recall, Jinji Douling in Jixing Siba has you stepping back and then shaking this way. So we had just done it to open this way, but to use that idea of opening and smashing down with the palm. So we're not going this way, we're going down. Again, down, up, and I've covered it in whatever I'm doing here. Let's say I come in for a high strike here. I can immediately go to Douling with an advancing step and do what I just showed you and smash in here. If it was even deeper, so 1, 2, you could step right behind him and use that and it would take him down in one action. So to actually aim for the opposite hip as you're pushing down. And you can see how that really displaces him. That's one of the keys. If you really want to take the guy over your leg to take him down, don't aim here with a palm. Even if you've trapped behind here, if you're just aiming here, it's not going to force him over. But the second I aim behind onto the other hip, you can see I'm not even pushing now. It's already taken his space. He's going to start falling over. Once again, strike comes in. I use the forearm up and down. Up and down. Advance. 1, 2. Now I'm ready to move forward. You can see you're almost in that orientation that you are from Jixing Siba. So from here you could very easily go straight into Baoxiao, which would feature striking with the forearm directly to his throat, underneath his chin. You use this entire area. It's actually emulating wings of the rooster. So these are basically wing techniques, using the wing to block and flap up and down and to strike. Don't simply do dead blocking. So what I mean by dead is that I've already turned the forearm out and I'm just pushing it up. And when the other strike comes in, I'm just chopping down. So don't think about that, but really remember that there's this drilling of the forearm. So it rotates. So as the forearm comes up, you're twisting the forearm. You're twisting the forearm. And as you come down, the opposite. I'm going to twist in. This is very much like Bai He Liang Che here, where you draw this part in. And in some senses, that action of Shangjia here is to really invade his space and disrupt him to get a reaction. And then you could go into something else.